I'm going to do right now is use the upload button, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shut that off on the dash. I apologize. The dash talks when I key on the car. I'm going to go ahead and upload this file right here to the car. So we're seeing we're uploading it. We'll do a basic sensor check. We're not going to start up the engine in this tutorial. We'll wait to do that in the next tutorial and start our tuning process. But this is uploading the file that we've built, wiping out whatever was on this Kpro previously, which would have been the tune calibration file from the last live training tutorial that we did, our last live training series with this particular vehicle. So now if we go here into our icon right now, we're going to find that we have everything looking like it's pretty much in order. Taking a look down here, the wideband showing full lean. That's normal because the engine's not having any combustion. Battery voltage is 11.8. That's normal. You're seeing engine coolant temp and air temp both matching at 76 degrees. That's about the ambient temperature in the garage right here. Looking at the map pressure, we're going to notice it's showing negative 29.9. Kpro key on engine off does not display the correct map pressure reading. Now, if I go and I move my throttle right here, we're seeing that the map pressure is not moving. Once the engine is fired up and running, this map pressure will actually register and read, and it's going to be a function of our throttle position sensor. Since we're in alpha N, it's a calculated map pressure reading based on that 10 to 100 kPa scale. Now, what I'm going to do right now to make this a little bit easier, normally I tune with the map sensor in vacuum and PSI. That's what I'm used to. But what I'm going to do is switch this over to kPa so we can see how that alpha N strategy is working in this calculated map pressure reading. So if I go to options and I go here into the settings and I go to map, and we're going to change this into kPa, click close, and now we see that's going to be a function of kPa right now. So that's showing 0 kPa. We see that's not updated here. Map PSI, it's not showing that updated value. Let's go in here to sensors. Let's go back in here to, I just want to make sure that's going to be kPa. Yeah, that hasn't updated that. Let me just see. I just wanted to make sure that I was going to show it as kPa, because it looks like the units, if you're looking at this, you wouldn't notice the difference between inches and PSI or kPa in terms of the reading. It would be kind of odd. Let me go and delete this real quick. Let's go and add it back in there. I just want to see if it's going to change anything. If I add map pressure back into that, is going to show kPa as the units, and we can see that's obviously Fahrenheit here, or looking at that's voltage. Obviously we want this to be accurate in terms of what we're looking at. We want that sensor data to be correct. So map, there we go, kPa. So if you delete it, come back in there, it's going to show map pressure in kPa units. This will hopefully be a little bit easier to illustrate the calculated map as we get the engine running and kind of see how that relationship's going to go. But the throttle position does need to be calibrated. So right now I'm off the throttle. If I give it a little bit of throttle, it's not catching my throttle travel movement, which is a big problem because it's not going to deliver the proper fuel and spark and the first fuel columns here. So we need to go in and calibrate this throttle position sensor. Also at full throttle, I'm all the way down on the throttle pedal here in the car. Throttle plates are fully open. We're seeing only an 85% as the reading when we're getting a true 100% at the throttle blade. So if we go here to, let's go back in here.
Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.